Buying the wrong portable carpet cleaner can leave stains behind, waste your money, and make cleaning more frustrating than it should be. Today we're comparing two popular options, the Shark Stain Striker and the Bissell Little Green Mini. We'll look at design, cleaning performance, stain removal, portability, tools, and overall value to help you decide which one deserves a spot in your home. Let's start with design and portability. The Bissell Little Green Mini weighs just 7 pounds, making it incredibly easy to carry from room to room or keep in your car for quick cleanups. Its compact footprint also makes storage effortless. The Shark Stain Striker is a bit heavier at 8.5 pounds, but it still qualifies as a portable cleaner and feels solid and well built. While the extra weight is noticeable, it comes with more accessories and a larger overall cleaning setup. If portability is your top priority, the Bissell takes this round. Next is cleaning power, and this is where the Shark begins to stand out. Its Stain Striker technology combines two cleaning formulas the moment they reach the stain, creating a powerful oxide cleaning reaction designed to tackle deep-set dirt, pet accidents, and stubborn spills. The Bissell relies on its proven cleaning formula with strong spray, scrubbing, and suction, making it excellent for everyday messes. For fresh spills, food stains, muddy footprints, and routine upholstery cleaning, it performs very well. But when it comes to older stains and strong odors, the Shark has the clear advantage. Now let's talk about tools and versatility. The Shark package includes 4 specialized tools: a crevice tool, a 3.5-inch stain eliminator, a 7-inch XL stain eliminator, and a dedicated pet mess extractor. These accessories make it easier to clean stairs, area rugs, couches, car interiors, and hard-to-reach spaces. The Bissell keeps things simple with a 4-inch tough stain tool and its Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool, which helps flush residue from the hose after use. While the Bissell wins points for easier maintenance, the Shark offers greater flexibility for different cleaning jobs. For pet owners, the Shark earns another victory. Its dual solution cleaning system is specifically designed to eliminate odors at the source, instead of simply covering them up. Combined with powerful suction, it does an excellent job lifting pet stains and embedded messes from carpet fibers. The Bissell handles pet accidents well, but it's better suited for quick spot cleaning than repeated deep cleaning sessions. If you're cleaning vehicles, both machines perform nicely. The Bissell's lighter weight makes it easier to carry around a car, while the Shark's extra hose attachments provide better access to seat edges, floor mats, and tight corners. The choice comes down to whether you value lighter handling or greater versatility. Storage and maintenance are another important consideration. The Bissell's Hydro Rinse tool simplifies hose cleaning, reducing buildup after each use. The Shark doesn't include the same self-cleaning feature, but its removable tools are easy to rinse and maintain. Finally, let's consider value. At around $100, the Bissell Little Green Mini delivers impressive performance for everyday spills, upholstery, car detailing, and quick cleanups. It's compact, affordable, and easy to use. The Shark Stain Striker costs about $150, but the extra investment brings stronger stain removal, superior odor elimination, more accessories, and better performance for larger or tougher cleaning tasks. So which one should you buy? If you're looking for the best budget-friendly portable cleaner for everyday messes, the Bissell Little Green Mini is an excellent choice. But if you have pets, frequently deal with stubborn stains, or want the most powerful portable cleaner with the widest range of tools, the Shark Stain Striker is the overall winner. Whichever model fits your needs, both are capable machines that can save carpets, upholstery, stairs, and car interiors from expensive professional cleaning. Check the links below for today's prices and let us know in the comments, which one would you choose for your home?